What if I told you that the secret to making your partner stick to you forever isn't just about grand gestures? Imagine a relationship so strong that neither of you ever feels the need to look elsewhere. That sounds dreamy, right? Today, we're diving into how to build that kind of unbreakable bond with your partner. This topic is crucial because relationships can be fragile, and knowing how to nurture them can lead to a lifetime of love and happiness. So, let's explore the key points that will help you and your partner stay connected for years to come. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on building a strong and lasting relationship. First, let's talk about communication. Open and honest communication is the cornerstone of any strong relationship. Make it a habit to share your thoughts, feelings, and concerns with each other. For example, schedule regular check-ins where you both talk about how you're feeling in the relationship. This practice helps you both feel understood and valued. Next, let's discuss quality time. Life can get busy, and it's easy to let this slip. But setting aside dedicated time for each other is essential. Plan regular date nights or fun outings, even if it's just a walk in the park. Remember, it's not about the money you spend, but the quality of the time you share. Engage in activities you both enjoy, whether it's cooking together, watching movies, or even building a puzzle. Another important factor is mutual respect. Respecting each other's opinions, boundaries, and individuality is vital. For instance, if your partner loves to paint and you don't quite understand it, take an interest. Ask questions about it. Show that you value their passions, which strengthens your bond. Now, let's talk about showing appreciation. Never underestimate the power of saying thank you. Make it a habit to appreciate the little things your partner does. It could be as simple as thanking them for making dinner or complimenting their effort in a project. This creates a positive atmosphere in your relationship. Additionally, maintaining trust is key. Trust is built over time and can easily be lost with small misunderstandings. Be reliable and keep your promises. If you say you're going to do something, make sure you follow through. If you mess up, own it. Apologize and communicate openly to rebuild trust. Another significant point is growing together. Encouraging each other to pursue your dreams and goals keeps the relationship dynamic and exciting. Set both individual and couple goals. Whether it's a fitness journey, learning a new skill, or traveling, support one another in achieving these goals. This not only builds a stronger connection, but also enriches your experiences together. Next, let's touch on conflict resolution. Disagreements are normal in any relationship, but how you handle them makes all the difference. Instead of shouting or shutting down, practice calm discussions. Focus on finding solutions instead of assigning blame. Use I statements. For example, say, "I feel hurt when," instead of "you always." This approach minimizes defensiveness and encourages open dialogue. Let's not forget about intimacy, both physical and emotional. Keep the spark alive by continuing to explore each other's needs and desires. Intimacy isn't just about the physical aspect. It's about being emotionally available too. Share your thoughts and feelings and encourage your partner to do the same. Lastly, have fun together. Life is meant to be enjoyed, so don't forget to laugh and create joyful memories. Create inside jokes, plan spontaneous outings, or revisit places where you shared special moments. These experiences will lay a solid foundation for your relationship. In conclusion, building a lasting relationship isn't about finding the perfect partner, it's about being the perfect partner. Focus on clear communication, respect, appreciation, and trust. As you grow together and have fun, you'll create a bond that can stand the test of time. Remember, it's the little things that count, and a genuine commitment to each other can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.